Every year, countless kidnapping cases tragically remain unsolved. But what happens when the police manage to intervene and rescue the victims? Here are 3 instances where kidnappers were caught red-handed.
Get up! Please don't go! Don't beat me up, man. Listen.
Okay, and then you have a bunch of kids, and then the car. How many kids? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Who are these kids to you?
This is just my friend.
If I ask you that question again, I'm gonna lose my mind. How old are you?
On April 4th, 2022, Atlanta police officers responded to a call from a distressed mother, Jessica Moore, who reported that her vehicle had been stolen with her 9-year-old child still inside. Jessica explained to the officers that she had parked in a lot, exited the car, and left the keys and her son in the vehicle, a mistake the thief quickly exploited. The kidnapper jumped into the car and drove off with the child. However, what the kidnapper didn't realize was that the child's iPhone, with location services enabled, would guide the officers straight to him. The Georgia State Patrol officers initiated a pursuit and successfully brought the suspect to a stop using the PIT pursuit intervention technique maneuver.
The information of GSD radio.
Go!
She cut off on people.
Give me the air. People's northbound towards Oak Street. GSP is behind him. GSP pit. Show me your hands. Get the out the door. Open the door. Open the door.
So you're trying to kill us. You're trying to kill us. Oh my gosh, you're trying to kill us. Oh my gosh, you're trying to kill me. Why would y'all do that, man?
Get up.
Please don't go. Don't beat me up, man. Listen, don't get on that. Y'all trying to kill me. Don't fight me, man.
Get on the ground.
Don't fight me. Stop, don't fight me. He don't stop trying to fight me. He don't stop trying to fight me.
It was incredibly baffling to witness someone like this suspect, who had kidnapped an innocent young boy, begging for mercy and pretending to act clueless. The suspect, later identified as 38-year-old Darius White, was quickly placed in handcuffs.
Can y'all please stop? Can y'all please?
Put your hands
Can y'all please stop? He hit us. I didn't have anything related to us. He hit us. That's messed up. He hit us. He's trying to kill us. He hit us. That's messed up. Oh, please not mess up with me.
Everyone thanks for your GSD. Appreciate you coming over also. That's what we do.
He hit us. That's messed up.
After Darius was arrested, the officers quickly recovered the child, checked him for injuries, and comforted him. The officers' compassionate actions, including giving the child a reassuring hug, have earned well-deserved praise and applause.
Yes. Yeah, we're gonna take you to your mom. Okay. You okay?
My mom called you?
Yeah, she did.
Okay.
She did.
Excuse me. I want to go now.
In the end, Darius was charged with kidnapping, cruelty towards children, and theft. He is now in custody at the Fulton County Jail. If you thought that was bad, just wait until you see what happens next.
Why's your zipper, your buttons down on your crotch?
Well, I probably just forgot.
On July 5th, 2022, a New Mexico State police officer conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle driving erratically and nearly causing a crash. Unbeknownst to the officer, this routine stop would lead to the discovery of unimaginable horror.
Hey there.
Hello.
How are you?
All right.
Just all right?
Yeah.
Okay. Should driver license?
Yeah.
There's your wallet right there between your legs.
Sorry, I was a little bit nervous.
So was I, the way you're driving.
As the suspect, identified as 41-year-old Jeremy Guthrie, searched for his license, the officer took a quick look inside the car and spotted alcohol, which explained Jeremy's erratic behavior and driving.
I said, you mentioned that you were nervous? Right. I was nervous while I was behind you driving down I-40. You were in lane number 1. At times, you went all the way from lane number 1 all the way over. Then you were a signal, had problems keeping your vehicle one lane. And then when you merged on from westbound 40 to northbound 25, you took that curve way too fast.
I did. I'm sorry.
I thought you were going to crash.
No, I don't.
I didn't say. I don't think so. I'm just saying I thought you were going to crash.
The officer then questioned Jeremy about the two children, estimated to be around 14 years old, seated in the back of his car.
Okay, and then you have a bunch of kids in the car. How many kids? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Who are these kids to you?
This is my friend.
That's your friend?
Yeah.
How old's your friend?
18.
That girl's not 18?
Huh?
That girl's not 18?
Yeah.
No, she's not.
No, I don't think she is.
That girl's not 18. Trust me. She don't look 18.
After receiving suspicious answers from Jeremy, the officer asked him to step out of the vehicle. Upon doing so, the officer noticed something deeply disturbing and highly incriminating.
Thank you. Come on out. Why's your zipper, your buttons down on your crotch?
Well, I probably just forgot.
Okay. When did you last drink?
Like, probably. It's been a little while.
Like an hour?
I would say it's more than yeah.
Like
more
maybe 2?
Yeah.
Roughly? Okay.
Like 2 hours.
That's fair. Because you know what? 2 hours is totally different than, no, I haven't been drinking. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But
I mean,
that's okay. That's okay. We're not gonna argue about it. I mean, I know what I smell. I know what I hear. I know what I see. Okay. Simple as that.
I mean, yeah. I mean, I'm not gonna lie to you.
Well, you already did. You said I hadn't been drinking. And then I kind of played you, said, was it an hour ago? Like, no, longer. 2 hours? Yeah.
It's been a few hours.
Okay.
I mean.
Gotcha. Well,
I mean.
we're not going to argue about that. I mean, I know what I smell. Okay? Do you think you're safe to drive? Do you think you're safe to drive?
Yeah.
You do?
Absolutely.
Once again, you and I will disagree on that, too. I don't think you're safe to drive. Just based on how you're driving.
Eventually, Jeremy admitted to having consumed several drinks a few hours earlier. When the officer asked Jeremy about the kids in his car, he gave yet another bizarre response.
All those people in the car, who are they?
They're just my friends. I mean.
Do you normally hang out with people who are young? How old are you?
I'm 41.
41? Okay. Hang tight right there, okay?
After discovering the actual ages of the children, the officer contacted their parents and informed them of the situation.
Okay, how old are you? 14. Thank you. Simple question.
14.
Really 14?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
14.
Okay.
18.
Okay. 13. Okay. 14. Okay. Who's this guy to anybody?
That's our homies. And then she knows his kid.
Okay. So, that there's your homie? Okay, so you guys all need to call your parents.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. And have your parents meet us here. This is Sergeant LaFay with State Police. And your son, along with, I'm guessing five of his other buddies, they were in a vehicle with somebody some man. It's a grown adult who has no business driving, and so he's out now doing field sobriety tests, and these kids need to be picked up.
Meanwhile, another officer conducted field sobriety tests on Jeremy, and the results were not surprising.
So just to make sure that you're okay to drive, okay, would you mind doing a couple of field sobriety tests just to make sure?
Yeah.
Yeah? You would mind, or you would want to do them?
What's it?
Do you mind, or would you want to do them? Do you want to do them? Yes or no?
I don't really want to.
You don't want to do them?
No, I don't want to.
Okay, I'm just gonna let you know, if you don't do the test, I'm gonna have to place you under arrest. Do you want to do the test?
All right, well, let's do the test.
From H to S. It's pretty simple.
Oh. H, I, J, K, L, M.
Want to turn around for me? Want to turn around? Want to turn around? All right, so you're gonna be placed under arrest for DWI, okay?
Jeremy was finally arrested for driving while under the influence. He was charged with DWI 6 counts of child abuse and multiple counts of rape too. Moving to our final case, deputies responded to a report of a missing child on Thursday, 2021, around 6 p.m. after the girl's grandmother reported that she hadn't come home or attended her basketball game after school. Deputy James began the investigation and spoke with a friend of the missing girl, who revealed that the victim had planned to meet someone she met online and go to a motel. The friend mentioned that the man's name might start with T, likely Tyler, and that he was from Orlando. She also added that he might have picked up the victim at the Dollar General store in Oak Hill. Deputy James visited the Dollar General to review security footage, discovering images of the victim at the store. An employee noted that the girl had mentioned waiting for someone to pick her up.
Basically, I'm missing a juvenile left school and possibly was picked up by a guy here. I'm kind of wanting to get an idea of who he is, and
Around what time am I going to look for?
I'm looking at today from school gets out around 3:15ish, so I'm thinking 3 to 3:30.
I mean, is that like a super recent picture though?
She says she looks pretty much like this. It looks pretty close to her. All right, let's see if she's.
I can see. Hold on, let me. If there's any other angles of her, then we can get a better.
Deputy James continued the search by visiting local motels, showing clerks a photo of the missing girl, and reviewing the day's check-ins.
Hello. Hey, so my name is Deputy James. I'm wondering if a juvenile and another person checked in here earlier today. Have you seen that? Her? No, she would have been here with an unknown, probably male. I'm looking for a juvenile that looks to be ran away from home today. And we have information she may have checked in to a local hotel with an adult. This is what she looks like. Any check-ins today?
Only one check-in before I came in.
At the third motel, he identified a guest registered as Tyler Thompson with an Orlando address.
Well, check out this person that checked in today.
Ooh, where's this guy? I think this is him. They said his name started with a T, possibly Tyler.
Deputies approached Thompson's motel room, knocking several times before he eventually answered. As the door opened, the girl ran to the officers, who swiftly separated her from the uncooperative suspect and checked her for injuries.
Front office, anybody inside? We need to come in for a second. Sheriff's office, back up. Have a seat on the couch. Where's What's up, sweetheart? Sheriff's office. Get Pappy up here. Go in the bedroom and wait for me for a second. How old are you?
5.
How old are you?
Okay. 501 text.
Just wait there for me, sweetheart. Okay? Are you okay?
Hey,
Do you need any
attention?
Are you hurt at all? You're not hurt at all? Your stomach hurts? Okay, we're gonna be right with you, okay?
335.
Yeah, you up. How old are you? If I ask you that question again, I'm gonna lose my mind. How old are you? Oh, you f***ed up. Yeah, you f***ed up real good.
Yeah, Naco.
Yes, I am. I found him.
10-4. How old is he?
Too old.
Alright, I'm on the way.
Copy. You sure you're okay, sweetheart?
When the man eventually revealed his age, the officer made it clear how serious the situation was. Tyler Thompson was charged with sexual battery of a person under the age of 18 traveling to meet a minor with 27 counts of possession of child pornography. Thompson was released from the Volusia County Branch Jail on Friday night after posting $15,000 bail for his current charges. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.